Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Mailchimp campaigns to cloud storage using Zapier step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the campaign section of your Mailchimp dashboard. Identify the campaign you wish to backup. Next, copy the campaign ID from the URL. Open a new tab and log into your Zapier account. In Zapier, click on Make a Zap. For the trigger app, select Mailchimp. Choose the new campaign trigger event. Connect your Mailchimp account to Zapier if you haven't already. Once connected, test the trigger to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now, add an action step by clicking on Add a Step. Select your preferred cloud storage service, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. For Google Drive, choose the action event Upload File. For Dropbox, select Upload File as well. Connect your cloud storage account to Zapier. In the Setup options, specify the file name for your backup. Use the campaign ID along with a timestamp for uniqueness. For the file content, map the email campaign content from Mailchimp. Review the details and ensure everything is accurate. Test this action step to confirm that your campaign data is correctly backing up to your cloud storage. Once the test is successful, click on Turn on Zap. Your backup process is now automated, ensuring your Mailchimp campaigns are return to Mailchimp and repeat as necessary for other campaigns. Monitor your cloud storage to verify that the backups are executing regularly. You have now successfully set up a backup system for your Mailchimp campaigns using Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.